Within thy lilac depth, I see the breathing universe. All strength, all wisdom, never changing law. Infinite beauty, thou art embracing all the power and the weakness of creation. In thine embrace, I will find everything. In thee lies hidden all the precious knowledge, mysteries. Within thy calyx bottomless dwells all the vision of the future and the past. slumber of the child unborn and of the ancient man. Horrors and sorrows, days gone by, tomorrows, and peace and beliefs, and waiting for my treacherous kiss to be disturbed in holy sleep. Tiny flower, I want to become thee. I want to become free. I want to drown myself in thee. Turning and yearning, transition to crime, and slaughter and dancing and cheating and rhyme. In the lanes they were standing in view of the blessed, and the flames in their right hand shine bright through their mist. And their message was strong as their teaching was love, but the master did them wrong and they mocked the dog. And wisdom was smiling in white tents of blue, deep burning wheels turning and burning you too. And the ages were passing and Mars took the rule, pouring gem rains of ruby as a war bait for fools, and gazing in concern at the fight on these plains. Other planets came closer to take over the reins. The roots was their weapon, skies drowned in the sand, changing land into water and water to land. And wisdom was smiling in white hands of blue, see fiery wheels burning and burning you too. crowd of crusaders outliving the night stared shocked at the silence of the white blinding light, and the blood-stained remains of the great Antichrist were shattered by archangels, those whom he despised. And dissolved was his spirit, soaked up by the sun, and a new age was dawning, thus all had begun. And dissolved was his spirit, soaked up by the sun, and a new age was dawning, thus all had begun. And wisdom was smiling in tunnels of blue, to fiery woods burning and burning you too. And wisdom was smiling in white tents of blue, to fiery woods burning and burning you too. and taken for the skies. Search for moonlight, the lotus your delight. Then he was free, free to rise. Sundown, 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 somebody told me, I read it in his eyes. Be careful what you do and don't ever criticize. Forget all your illusions, they're just a mad confusion. Man is a killing beast and there's no paradise. He thought he was a wise man who had fought so many fights, but he was just a child man who hadn't yet escaped the night. There's so many lives away. Yes, there's so many lives away. Yes, there's so many lives away. And you're as blind as only man can be. Yesterday I met him, he hadn't changed his mind. They didn't even let him behold what he did find. He lost his scars, he lost his wife, he had lost everything, and nothing could remind you that once they crowned him king. He thought he was a wise man who had fought so many fights, yet he was just a child man who hadn't yet escaped the night. You're still so many lives away. You're still so many lives away. You're still so many lives away. And you're as blind Funny stuck up